exciting.
This is Byllie In Dispair writing song.
Writing a song, yeah.
Writing a song. That says emo song if you can't tell.
What? And they aren't copying the original emo song. I'm an emo kid.
No, this is Byllie In Dispair emo song. That's Joker. Joker.
Apples.
That's not apples.
Oh, I mean Jesus.
It's Jesus, Byllie,
Jesus graham cracker.
and Lizard. Yes, they will. She's a graham cracker.
I just want to know what made her like this.
It was the H1N1 song.
Look at the cat.
That's the cat. He's a big fan.
Exactly, he's sleeping through our song.
He likes to sleep through Byllie In Dispair.
Helps me sleep.
Yeah, this is behind the scenes of...
You want to kill yourself?
It looks like Byllie wants to kill herself. Thank you, Jesus.
Okay.
Is that a drumstick?
I'll trade you.
Okay.
That sounded good.
I know it's like my ears are bleeding.
I can't play well right now. Okay, she's gonna do the first verse.
Alright, now we have to stop. Wait, behind the scenes is over.